are you all?
Fine, sir.
Are you all excited for today's session?
Yes, sir.
So let me tell you exactly what is going to happen in today's session. We are having question session. Today you are just going to face so many questions, guys, and you have to speak in style as well and try to speak randomly whatever comes in your mind. Is that clear? The motive. What is the motive of doing these kinds of session? What is the motive of speaking there? What is the motive of coming on the stage again and again and sitting on the sofa and answering the questions of the people? The motive is to improve ourselves. The motive is to
Improve ourselves.
improve ourselves. So that is the motive. So let's see what happens. So first of all, tell me who wants to come here and want to face some of the questions. Sania, do you want to come?
Yes, sir.
Are you excited?
Yes, sir.
So you would be sitting on the sofa. Let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only Sania. So anybody, whosoever they want to, ask any questions, whatever you are having. First of all, you would raise your hand and would carry the mic and then ask the question. Is that clear? Is that clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So who wants? First of all, introduce yourself.
Okay. So hello everyone.
Hello.
How are you all?
Fine.
That's great. So firstly, I would like to give my small intro. So hello all my standing marvelous, tremendous, amazing, as well as those who are having type of personality. And I would like to say thanks to both of sir, Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir, to having me this golden opportunity to speak here in front of you all. So as we know, today is the very interesting class, that is question session. That you will ask any type of question that is inside of your mind, and I will try to give my best. So anybody can ask me any type of question.
Excuse me, Didi. I would like to ask one question.
Okay.
What do you think? What is the role of personality in your life?
Okay. So the question is, what is the role of personality in our life?
Yeah.
So firstly, I would like to explain, what is the role of personality? The real role of, the personality is very, very important and essential in our life. We should make our personality because, why it is important and what is the role of it? If we are going anywhere, so we always listen, the first impression is the last impression, right? We all listen, the first impression is the last impression. So this is the meaning of, means if you are making a personality, if you are going anywhere first time, and if someone is seeing us in first time, so they are looking at, not asking question. First they look at ना, कहीं भी क्या होता है हमारी नजरें जाती हैं. सबसे पहले what goes our eyes, they goes inside of a person and they look like how is talking with me, how is walking, how is the personality of that person. So the first impression what you make on that a person, so that will make inside of that mind of that person. जो पहला इंप्रेशन आपका बनेगा वो उसके माइंड में, तो वो आपका लास्ट इंप्रेशन बन जाएगा कि लाइक या दिस मैन पर्सनालिटी वाज गुड, लाइक द वे ऑफ टॉकिंग वाज गुड, लाइक ही वाज लुकिंग गुड, हैंडसम, आउटस्टैंडिंग, supercilious. So this is the it's not like the only this all thing. Many people, like if you wanna be something in your life, so they are like if you go for interview, in we can say that अगर आप बनियान में और ऐसे निकल में चले जाओ कोई सिलेक्ट करेगा पहले let the first they see you ना in this way, वो पहले आपको बाहर निकाल देगा. Like so not in anywhere, like if you wanna be something, so at that time you have to make your personality. That personality, if you go in a personality anywhere, so it will that is not like if you don't have any knowledge and you are making only your personality and सामने जाके person आपसे कोई पूछता है what you are doing in your life, भाई मेरे को मुंह बंद हो जाती है. This is not a personality. Personality means like inside of your mind you have a knowledge, you have looking good, you have personality बनाता कौन है पहले मैं ये बता दूं. Like personality who made, जिसके पास knowledge हो. अगर उसे knowledge नहीं, personality बनाने कैसे, वो बनाएगा कैसे? बंदा किसी के साथ शर्ट पहन के चलाएगा, अच्छी के साथ वो शर्ट पहन के चलाएगा. So this means you have a knowledge how to make a personality. Then you can make a personality. Means personality means you have a knowledge, you have education, you know that what is the.
Another question. Yeah, another person. Give the mic to him.
Okay. What will you choose between heart and mind?
Mind, I understand. Heart.
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 Okay, heart.
And mind.
Heart.
Means in which situation you listen to your mind or your heart?
Okay. this one you see. Like what you will listen of your mind, of your heart, right? So in which type of situation, like in problems, in any situation. Okay. So if I tell about myself, so literally I never ever listen to my heart. I always listen to my mind. If any situation I told you, so I listen to my mind because I think because I know I control my mind by myself, not by others. Many times like many people they if someone says to anything, so they get angry at that time. So I think it is not good and by किसी की बात को लेके आप गुस्सा हो तो वो इसका मतलब वो आपके माइंड को कंट्रोल कर रहा है. If you are controlling your mind, एक साइलेंट पर्सन ना बहुत पावरफुल होता है. If someone is saying something to you, so at that time you have to be silent. और उस टाइम पे आप उतना परेशान नहीं हो जितना वो सामने वाला परेशान हो जाएगा. So this is the you have to listen to your mind, you have to control your mind.
Very good.
So,
And another questions, who wants to ask? Give the mic to that person.
What is success according to you? Your definition for success.
According to myself, success is when you get a happiness. Means, my happiness is my, literally, I accept my family, my mother, my father. And it's my real happiness कि जब मैं सक्सेस हूँ अपनी लाइफ में, अगर मैं कुछ बनना, लोगों में होता है कुछ बनना, या मैं अपनी लाइफ में कुछ कर रही हूँ तो उसके लिए मेरे मम्मी पापा को वो सक्सेस को देखने के लिए. तो इट इज माई रियल सक्सेस कि अगर मैं कुछ बनूँ तो उस टाइम पे मेरे मम्मी पापा वो चीज़ को देखेंगे. तो दिस इज माई रियल सक्सेस एंड दैट see in my life, that I want to see in my future, because I know the struggling of my mother, my father, what they are doing for me, what they are struggling for me, for myself. Insist if they don't have money, even for myself, my father is doing night work, they are doing hard work. So it's my opinion that if I be something in my life, so at that time my father and mother, they would be there for seeing my success.
Mean to say, what would you be like after what do you want to become?
I want to become a fashion designer, and if किसी reason wise, by this any reason, if I will not become, so yeah, I have another reason that I can become a good speaker, so I will become from here. This is my opinion.
Okay. Anybody else who wants to ask the questions? Is there anybody new? Okay. So clap everybody for Sonia. Now we have the next charming personality on the stage. Who wants to come here? First of all, let me ask. Trisa. So let's give an energetic warm welcome to the one and only Trisa के लिए जोरदार ताली भाई. Thank you ma'am for coming.
So hello, my respectful teachers and my great audience and viewers who watching me carefully. Today is question session. This is me Trisha Vani. You can ask me any question. I give my best.
I want to ask a question that is many people they debate on this, what time is better, what time is best, the antiquated time and this generation, what you like and why it is good for you.
I think I don't know about any previous time because I'm not born at that time.
But we listen in history what was our past.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
We listen our history, what was our past. So what you choose, this time is good or that time?
For me, this time is good because in previous time my parents are taking so hard work. Sleep means so hard. मतलब बहुत गरीब.
They were struggling.
They were very struggling, and I don't want to go in their previous time. And now my parents, me as well, my whole family is so happy. So for me, this generation now, and in this generation we have many facilities. In that generation we don't have. With many students are studying and their look gone light और पढ़ भी नहीं पाते थे. So I think in this generation we have scientists भी बहुत अच्छे हैं and we have many knowledge
Knowledgeable person.
knowledgeable persons and
Knowledgeable person.
and now in previous time no one teach you English. Now everyone's need in our future teaching means English. We need English for our future. So in previous time they में facilities नहीं होते थे.
You were not having
Having that much facilities, and in now also in village have many good hospitals, but in previous time everyone's need to go at the other city. उस उतने तक लोग मर जाते थे. तो क्या करना उस जनरेशन में? इस जनरेशन में हमें इतना तो है कि पास में कुछ भी हम मर तो नहीं रहे. So I think in this generation I think better than
But
previous
Sanya
time.
wants to say that in previous time people did not used to need of hospitals as well. Home remedies used to be there. You know, there are so
Sir,
many
there,
remedies.
see sir, in previous time or now time, everything is one thing. The pregnancy, in the ठीक है pregnancy पहले भी होते थे अभी हो रहे हैं. तो अभी पास है हॉस्पिटल और पिछले previous time many peoples डिलीवरी के बिना मर जाते हैं. डॉक्टर बहुत दूर है, बहुत फार है. That's why the many peoples are died. He can't born his baby, they are died. Yeah, yes, I know that. Another question?
Ma'am, could I ask one question from you? What do you think that what is indispensable in your life, health or wealth, according to you?
Yeah, nice question. Nice, glad everybody.
Health or wealth? Money or health?
Money or health? What is most important right now in this generation? So many people are running after the money, losing their health.
Yeah, if you have money, you can better your health. You can go gym as well. You can eat food. If you don't have money, how can you feed your stomach in good way? You are कुछ भी खा लोगे. अगर तुम्हारे पास पैसे नहीं तो कुछ भी खा लो, कचड़ा भी खा लोगे. तो उसमें health खराब हो ही जाएगा. तो I think if
Dear ma'am, I am not asking this. I am asking that. What do you think? What is most important, health or wealth? First of all, for becoming
अच्छा,
something.
important.
Yeah. What is
I think
important? Yeah.
I think that. That is
Well,
simple.
how can you say that is important? Because in
Because
the
this is my
generation,
mindset. You are asking with me,
our health is.
so I can speak
Sir, I am not
anything.
satisfied.
Own opinion.
Sir, I am not satisfied with the
You are not satisfied. I am not here sitting to satisfy
You carry
you.
on. But I will continue.
Okay? So I think if you have wealth, so your health automatically good.
ऐसा
हाँ कुछ भी. You can
Explain in a better way with lots of points. Don't
see if you are don't have to you don't have single penny. You have eat fruits and किससे बनते हैं दूध like milk and fruits and vegetables and go to gym and exercise and many things are there. Yoga. Then how do we do? Because we have money, then we do that. हाँ ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि पार्क में जाके
Then we are able to do that.
तो
Then we are able to do that.
we able to do that.
We are able to.
We are able to do that. Yes. So I think there is a wealth is important.
Amazing.
Yeah. Next question. Who wants to ask another
आपको
question?
पूछूं? But do you think friends are important in our life?
Yeah. The most after, not after, before family, the friends is important. You know why?
Friends are important.
Friends are important. You know why? If we are crying now, we can't go with our mother, we can't share it. But if we have friends, we go to them, we are share to them. But in friendship, there is a true friendship as well and fake friendship also. But I think if you have true friends, so you are the luckiest person in this world. And the friend give you happiness. If you are sad, if you are in bad time, that also he come to you. He not paying you money, but he give you एक तसल्ली देती है.
It gives you peace.
He gives you peace.
He gives
That
you
is the
tranquility.
peace.
He gives you tranquility.
He gives you
Tranquility.
tranquility. जो इसे
Tractor
It gives you
means to say tractor.
सर मेरे को बहुत फील होता है आप मेरे को डाउन करते हो. So there is and in friendship the first rule, caste never mind, money never mind. If you are your friendship with a
Face, looking.
looking wise, there is a never mind because if you are thinking कि पैसे वाला और दोस्ती करे तो वो सच्ची दोस्ती हो ही नहीं सकती, वो बहुत फेक है और वो फेक फ्रेंडशिप रख के you can't do anything and their friendship family as will become our family. I also.
Super.
Next.
Another questions? Yeah, who wants to ask?
See.
Sir.
So what do you think that business is good or job?
Last question.
I think that is the job is, you know why? Because if you have one business, you are going loss. You don't have other option. You don't need. You don't have. If you are doing job, if this company is not good, you can go other company, and you have many options. So I think एक ही चीज में अब रहना नहीं चाहिए. एक ही चीज में कि बिजनेस नहीं हो रहा, फिर भी बिजनेस में पैसे डाल के लॉस हो रहे हो, बेवकूफ बनते जा रहे हो. I think there is not. Everyone was not lucky person in this world. Yes.
एक चीज बोल।
अरे सर.
वो बता रहा हूँ। बिजनेस उनके लिए नहीं होता जो बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं। बिजनेस उनके लिए होता है जो बिजनेस करेगा रहेगा।
Wow.
वो हम नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
So because he is asking me that
और बिजनेस सबके लिए भी नहीं होता सर, यही बात है. बिजनेस
सब अपने नहीं बता सकते हो सर. नहीं कर सकते.
जॉब कर करके हर इंसान
रात को सोए सपने देखते.
कहते हैं ना जो सक्सेस की सीढ़ी होती है वो उसी तरह जॉब एक सीढ़ी है बिजनेस करने की.
Business
हम
करने की.
पहले इंसान गरीब ये अचानक से
अगर आपको बिजनेस करना है सर, पहले आपको यू नीड लॉट्स ऑफ मनी.
Job करना
के लिए
पड़ेगा.
जॉब के लिए तुम्हें कोई
How many
नीड
of
इज.
you would say that कि बिजनेस के लिए हमें बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा
Who said, sir?
कौन
एक लाख.
Sorry, नहीं मैं जॉब्स की बात कर रहा था. पैसा तो
आप
चाहिए.
लोग ऐसा सोचते हो कि पैसा चाहिए बहुत ज़्यादा बिजनेस करने के लिए।
ज़्यादा नहीं
No,
करना
I'm
है.
not-
You know, it depends on the type of business, sir, in which business you are doing.
बहुत टाइप है वो बिजनेस पे डिपेंड करता है.
छोटा बिजनेस भी खोलोगे तो 1 लाख चाहिए ही चाहिए भाई.
छोटा क्या बड़ा बिजनेस के लिए तो मिलेगा। स्मॉल आइडिया कैन चाहिए ना बिजनेस।
Yes, sir.
स्मॉल
इतना दिमाग नहीं है.
So, Dolly Chai wala, take the example.
सर आइडिया जिस पे लगाएंगे वो किसी मिट्टी को लाके उस पे तो लगाएंगे नहीं. अब जो चीज लेंगे उसके लिए हमें भी पैसे चाहिए.
अब अमेजन वाले ने कितना इन्वेस्ट करा होगा? तुम सोचो।
अरे
अरे सर, अमेज़न की खुद की कोई दुकान नहीं है, वो सामान भिजवा रहा है हमारे घर पे.
एक कंप्यूटर जो कि हर किसी के घर में होता है।
आप दाएं नहीं कर रहे.
एक कंप्यूटर जो कि सबके घर में होता है।
नहीं है सर, मेरे घर
सारे
में.
प्रोडक्ट्स जितने सारे अमेजन से हम खरीद रहे हैं, अब ये माइक हम खरीद रहे हैं, अमेजन से खरीद रहे हैं। वो मालिक है उसका, जबकि वो उसका है ही नहीं है। ये माइक उसका नहीं है, लेकिन वो उसका मालिक है।
कौन है सर?
अमेजन जेफ बेजोस जो हम जो भी
Amazon?
प्रोडक्ट्स खरीद रहे हैं।
सर इसमें नाम देख लो किसका लिखा हुआ है.
Based-
खरीद कहाँ से रहे हैं?
तो क्या?
खरीद कहाँ से रहे हैं? सेलर कौन है?
बनाया किसने?
Amazon, sir. Amazon.
बनाया किसने सर?
कौन ले रहा है?
उसकी खुद की दुकान नहीं
वो
है.
नहीं ले रहा. जिसने बनाया उसने उसको कोई प्रॉफिट के बिना ही बना के रख रखा है.
तो अब
Uber वालों की खुद की कार नहीं है.
कौन है? इसका मालिक या अमेजन का मालिक? जेफ
नहीं
बेजोस।
पता.
आगे बढ़ो फिर। जेफ बेजोस जो कि अमेजन का मालिक है, सबसे ज्यादा
Yes, sir.
इसमें कौन है?
सर
जेफ
तो
बेजोस
सर
तालियां.
के लिए
तालियां.
इसका मालिक है या फिर जेफ बेजोस है? अमेजन का मालिक। उसने क्या इन्वेस्ट करा?
तो जीत गया 5 लाख.
इसके मालिक में देखो
4 लाख GST.
इसके मालिक में देखो ना, अब तुम कहते हो ना अभी आना
1 लाख मेरे.
मैं क्रेडिट नहीं मिल रही है, नहीं बिजनेस के लिए पैसे की जरूरत है ही नहीं, है ही नहीं, है ही नहीं।
नहीं इस पर कोई नहीं होता सर.
तो एलन मस्क ने पैसे नहीं लगाए बिजनेस के ऊपर.
की बात चाहिए तो दिमाग में
Analyst मार गया.
इससे बड़ा लिसन, इससे बड़ा डेवलपमेंट हो नहीं सकता। इसके मालिक ने बहुत पैसा खर्च करा होगा, ये प्रोडक्ट्स बनाया होगा, कितना पैसा खर्चा करा होगा।
सर Amazon की
नाम किसका है?
सर खरीदने को तो Amazon ना.
अब ये आया जेफ बेजोस जिसने अमेजन
सर आप सदर में चलो वहाँ पर भी मिलता है.
एक प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट करा, उसने कुछ भी पैसा खर्च नहीं करा।
सर
सर आप सदर में भी चलो मिलता है.
उसके लिए दिमाग होना चाहिए ना. हर दिमाग बात साथ में नहीं होता. या दिमाग हो या पैसा हो. अगर पैसा आएगा तो दिमाग आ जाएगा. सबसे पहले बात
जॉब करने के लिए दिमाग नहीं चाहिए क्या?
हाँ चाहिए.
चाहिए. मेरा डिग्री वाले बहुत से जॉब है.
First of all, guys, it's a long time my friends that level marvelous and super capitalistic experiments and as well as myself and Mansa who gave me this golden upon the standard. So my associate here. So my name is Sarun, student of Fantabulous dance academy by Professor Chitta. Oh sorry, question session. There is a question session, and who wants to ask me a question? I will try my best to give you satisfying and appease.
Okay. So I want to ask a question. By any situation, imagine that. Imagine कि any situation you go in particular time और आप अभी जो गलती करके आए हो अपने इस टाइम में, तो उस कौन सी गलती होगी जिसे आप सुधारना चाहोगे उसमें जाने का? That I want to ask.
You know, my life is a mistake. I will say to God, I don't stand with God. मैं अपने पास को यार.
Sir, what is this, yeah?
Whose mistake is this? Like, mistake or your father's?
You know, sir, if I will going to annotate. So, there are so many mistakes I have done in the previous time. I don't know how many mistakes I can't count it.
रोज ही कर देते
Daily.
One mistake that you share with all, कि वो mistake के बाद आप सोचो कि काश ऐसा मैंने किया नहीं था, आज मेरी लाइफ अच्छी होती.
बताओ हम सुनने के लिए उतावला हो रहे हैं.
Mistakes that we had.
वो मुझे अपनी लाइफ में नहीं करनी चाहिए. This type of mistake.
आयशा बेहतर
You know, one day it was a big mistake, a huge mistake I wanted to do. I was in 4th class. I was going home from my school. So I was at that time that demonetization has happened. Like the old 500 notes are banned and new 500 notes are released. So I got one 500 note in the room. I took that. I was seeing that note. It is not a 500 note, but it is looking 500 note. It is looking that, but it's not looking that. Yeah, happy. What I should do?
अच्छा mistake.
I was seeing that. I saw that one lady was going there, and she was finding something in her purse. I was saying that it would be her. I should ask her like, what is this? Just take it back if it is your. I was doing some boys are there. Say let's come in. What happened? And he said, "Give me this. It is mine. Let's take it and go there." And after coming home, my father was counting the money, and I was saying, "It is that thing." I said, "Give to that." What is this? It's money. वो तो वैसा उसका लड़का आता था. But it is new notes. It is new note. My son. It is new note. Okay. Like government had launched it. I saw what I had done. That is why I got 500 in the first time. At that time I got only 5 rupees per day for standing and for eating kukuras वगैरह. And I got 500 rupees.
Class and biscuit.
I lost it.
जहर वाला.
That was hilarious and hilarious. Okay. Another question.
What do you think, my brother, that village is good or city is good? अरे तो बता भाई.
According to me,
कौन करेगा?
according to me,
बोलिए सर.
being too much of modern is also bad, and being too much of old is also bad. You have to stay in a balanced situation, because in today's generation, the factories are the big industries are there. Fixing the factories and fixing the factories. The ozone layer, about depletion of ozone layer is there. Means so many bad things are happening. It's like too much of modernization of cities. And there's no something so old. Villages are there, so there are less facilities. According to me, sit in a balance. Means don't modernize yourself in too much way that the environment will damage automatically.
Wow.
According to me, sit in balance. We all know about like in 1992 Earth Summit had happened in Rio Grande do Sul in Brazil, that about the sustainable development, that ozone layer, the depletion of ozone layer, that about means all the people will means die. It will happen means continuously. So according to me, the satisfy your needs without compromising future speed.
Excellent.
How do we know our friend true for us or not?
It depends on your situation. In which situation, it depends on situation. Make a hypothetical situation, make an imagination, make a plan to know that your friend is your true friend or your fake friend.
How to know?
Are you talking about plans or friends?
Friends के बारे में.
प्लान करके कोई मैसेज
पता करें.
What we done for no
Continue, भैया.
Because you know, just make a plan. But when you have relationship, it can relate to money. It can relate to means you are in bad situation and anything. But according to me, I want to say friends. Of course, there are two type of friends: true and fake friends. You are the same. And that friends are means true or fake. Like I can take the example of boys' friend. According to boys, mostly boys' friends are true. According to me, because boys friends gets maturity after so much.
Wow. Yes, you're right.
You know, इनका दोस्त सबसे बड़ा होता है. अगर भाई ने बोल दिया बोलते आजा. एक बंदे को मतलब कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे, आएंगे मैटर नहीं पूछना. Like they will not say anything. They will come as किसको मारना है बता, कुछ नहीं जानना
तो
उन्हें.
वो टपोरी बनी हुई
You know, according to me, you know about that, not
नहीं
that.
मतलब एक
You know
बता
about that all things. The boys get maturity after so many time. उनके उनका दोस्त सबसे पहले होता है. But you know उनके सबसे पहले उनका दोस्त होता है. Means for the boys, भाई ने बोल दिया तो बोलना. मार that all
You
things.
are saying the boys friendship. आपने बोला मारने के लिए बुला दिया तो वो आ गया क्योंकि उसके घर में कोई रुकावट नहीं है. हम लड़कियां जाती है किसी से पंगे लेने नहीं. हमें बुलाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
You know, I'm not disrespecting the girls. I'm saying the girls means get the maturity very earlier than the boys. The girls are clever than the boys. The girls are smarter than the boys. And in that situation, girls say, what is my benefit? They think once again. Boys सोचते हैं मैंने इसको मार दिया, पुलिस कंप्लेंट में क्या होगा? लेकिन girls सोचते हैं वो चल जाएंगे मार दे काम खत्म. But girls सोचेंगी और मैं ऐसा करता हूँ मेरे साथ क्या होगा? I have to take steps. That
बचपन से उनको ऐसे बनाया जाता है.
All the best.
होते लड़के ऐसे ही
you
हैं.
know ऐसा होता है. अब मुझे बता के मैंने मार दिया पुलिस कंप्लेंट में बता के.
एंड करो.
You know that's all I want to say to you. Thanks.
A splendid good evening to one and all. This is me, Nigam, in front of you all. How are you all, everybody? I'm not getting your voice. How are you all? That's great. First of all, I would like to thank to my both sir, Sanjeev sir and Suraj sir for having me this golden opportunities, as well as I would like to thank all the viewers, all the spectators, all the audience, all the companions who all are present over here. Thank you for coming here. Thank you for present here. You know, ladies and gentlemen, today I am feeling over the moon. People being judged to is like hidden a candy store because today I am having a fantabulous, marvelous question session. Are you all ready to ask me question? So you all can ask any question.
What do you think about girls?
Girls,
I'm telling girls, not girls. देखिए इतना मस्ती की बात की girls हो गया.
नहीं इनको ऑलरेडी इस गलत किस्म के इसके होश उड़ गए.
okay everybody, you know, ladies and gentlemen, in this
कुछ भी बोलने में
generation,
सोच नहीं कुछ.
girls are very good. Girls are very beautiful. Girls are very important in the generation. You know, because of the girls, our country is developing, our India is growing.
मैंने सुना था कि लड़कियां कमजोर होती हैं.
हाँ सर,
बोलो.
सही बोल.
मैंने सुना था कि लड़कियां कमजोर होती हैं, लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकता.
अपनी माँ को मैंने सुना था कि लड़कियां कमजोर होती है. मैं भूल नहीं सकता अपने ये सारे फ्रेंड को. मैंने सुना था कि लड़कियां बहुत कमजोर होती है,
लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकता
त्रिशा दीदी को. देखो त्रिशा दीदी आप क्या कर रही है.
बैठ जाओ.
त्रिशा दीदी को मैं भूल नहीं सकता.
मैंने सुना था कि लड़कियां कमजोर होती है.
मैंने सुना था कि लड़कियां कमजोर होती है.
मैं भूल नहीं सकता. मैं भूमि
अपनी बहन दीदी को. मैंने सुना था कि
लड़कियां कमजोर होती है, लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकता.
चलिए पूरा काट दे रहा हूँ.
मैंने सुना था कि लड़कियां कमजोर होती है, लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकता. मैं दूसरा
मैंने सुना था कि लड़कियां कमजोर होती है और मैं भूल नहीं सकता लक्ष्मी बाई को. मैंने सुना था लड़कियां कमजोर होती है,
लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकता मुनीबा मजारी को. मुनीबा मजारी को.
मुनीबा मजारी को नहीं भूलूंगा.
गर्ल्स, अब बोलो. गर्ल्स आर.
You know, ladies and gentlemen, girls are very good. In this generation, because of the girls, our India is developing.
Girls are becoming the supporter of the boys.
Girls are becoming the supporter of the boys because of the girls. If we don't have girls, so with whom we will get married and from where child will come? Because of the girls, so many things are coming. You know, our India is growing, our house is growing because of the girls. If our why are you all laughing?
Yeah. Continue.
You know, ladies and gentlemen, don't laugh and listen to me carefully and attentively, please.
अच्छा बोलो. Continue.
Ladies and gentlemen, in this generation, girls are there. So we are here. Boys are here because of the girls. Our mothers are waking up in the morning. Our mothers are cooking food. Then we are eating. Then we are standing. Then we are sleeping.
she's also a girl.
She is also girl. Now she's
My mother is a girl. My sister is a girl.
My sister is girl. My mother is girl.
You all are.
She's all friends are girl, and they all are speaking in English in the good way, in the better way. We always keep on thinking that girls can't do anything, but I say boys are nothing in front of girls. Because of girls, India is developing. Our India is growing. Our India is
Becoming
to the next level. Because of the girls. Girls are
the beauty of our nation.
Girls are need of
Girls are the beauty of our nation.
Yeah, girls are the beauty of our nation. Because ladies and gentlemen, we are like if we are getting married with any girl, if girl is not there, so with whom we will marry?
Yes.
And we will not marry. Every person will say Nikamma, Nalla, Nithalla. Because we don't have wife. In this generation, wife is also important. If we don't have wife, so all people will taunt us. All people will say us that you don't have any wife. Because of the girls. Girls are girls. Girls are most important. Girls are marvelous, fantabulous, outstanding, amazing, splendid, and super expialidocious. In this generation, in education system, if I talk about in education system, girls are doing well. Then boys, in this generation, what are boys are doing? Boys are smoking, boys are drinking, and they are beating their wife, and just wife is bearing. Sir, वो फिर भी संभालती फिर भी कुछ नहीं कहती.
Even though they manage.
Even though girls manage, wife manage. The problem of boys is beating, boys is drinking. Ladies and gentlemen, boys is drinking and boys is beating to their wife. Even though like this, they are drinking and they are just beating to their wife. What is this? Because it is the biggest mistake of boys. Ladies and gentlemen, in this generation, girls are most important. Because save life of girls. Girls is most important.
We are also becoming better just because of that.
We are becoming better because of the girls. Girls are teaching. So many teachers are there. We always keep on thinking that only boys can teach. But in this generation, girls are earning by sitting at their house. Girls are teaching to students and they are earning a lot of money. Yes, come on.
Thank you.
I have asked a question.
Yes.
So imagine that, like in our future,
Yes.
the AI would be there. So like instead of us, like now, listen to me. Now our sir is teaching us, okay? But imagine in our future, like AI is improving day by day. So in our future, the AI would be there, and you would be sitting with AI, and AI will teach you at that time. Like, what do you think? Like, कि what is good? This generation is good. Like, कि वो future हमारा जो आने वाला है वो अच्छा होगा हमारे लिए. What is
AI
what
पढ़ाना
would you
अच्छा
think?
होगा या खुद टीचर?
उस time पे you would be having with AI.
My dear friends, according to me, according to myself, according to my opinion, I think in this generation teachers are teaching you that this is better than our upcoming generation. This is best than our upcoming movement. Because in this generation, like teachers are teaching you in the notebook, but AI will teach you. AI will not teach you with notebook. AI will only speak English. But in this generation, if you have any doubt, if you have any problem, if you have any confusion, so we can ask from our teacher. In this generation, in the upcoming generation, who will teach us? Not AI. AI, what is AI? I think teachers are most important. Our guru is most important. Our mentor is most important. Because of the teacher, so many people are becoming IAS. Because of the teacher, so many people are becoming IPS. Because of the teacher, so many people are becoming doctor. Not because of the AI. AI, only you can get knowledge. But I think that our teacher who can teach you.
Don't. Yeah, continue.
In the better way, in the proper way, only teacher can teach you. Not your AI. You all are thinking AI will teach you wrong thing also, but teacher will not teach you wrong thing. Are you all getting or not? Like if child is asking from AI, just send me this video, send me this wrong video, so he will send you because he has to teach you. But teacher cannot teach you wrong. Teacher teach you in the good way, in the better way, in the proper way. The reason is that teacher is most important. Guru is most important. This generation is most important.